Hello everyone and welcome back to PostNetwork Academy. I am Bindeshwar and I am thrilled to have you join me today. In this session, we are diving into a fundamental topic that is different approaches to probability theory. Whether you are a data scientist, a student, or a professional in AI, understanding probability is key to solving real world problems. In today's lecture, we will not only explain the theory but also show practical examples to help you grasp the concepts. So grab your notebook and let's get started. So basically classical probability has limitations when outcomes are not equally likely or infinite. So alternative approaches are needed in situations where classical definitions fail. So this unit and video introduces methods based on past experiences, observed data and axioms. So we will discuss relative frequency approach and other two approaches like subjective probability and axiomatic probability we will discuss in another video. So classical probability fails when outcomes are not equally likely. The number of exhaustive cases is infinite, and relative frequency approach observes data to compute probabilities, and it is defined as probability of event A limit n tends to infinity m upon n, where m number of times event A occurs and total number of trials under identical conditions. So little bit modification in classical probability definition. Now let us take an example. So probability that an employee's salary is less than 150. We will calculate. So here total employees that are 125 and employees with salary less than 150, that is 60. So probability of salary less than 150 is 60 upon 125, that is 0.48. Now let us see another example. Toss a coin 200 times and record the number of heads. You can see that number of tosses when it is 1, number of heads has come 1. And proportion you can see that m upon n, that is 1 upon 0. Number of tosses when these are 2, so number of heads also. But when number of observation, you can say that tosses are increasing, they are approaching to, you can say that 0.5, proportions are approaching to 0.5. So probability of getting head is 1 upon 2. So we can also see that there are limitations we will discuss. So experimental conditions may change over time, and limit n tends to infinity, m upon n may not converge to a unique value. We'll discuss these topics in future videos. Hope you understood these concepts. For more videos and resources, you can visit website, YouTube channel, Facebook page, and you can also connect to Post Network Academy LinkedIn page. So hope you understood the concept. Thanks for watching the video.